Yeah, welcome back to my class again today. Now, today we are going to look at the ELIF statement. Why do we need to do this? We've done the if statement, the if-else statement. We want to look at the if-ELIF-ELSE statement. Now, why do we need this ELIF statement? If you are looking at multiple expression, you will need this, where you are going to choose many. For example, in the last class, we made use of an example of 10% discount. So we are going to look at 20% discount. We are going to look at 10% discount before the final output. So that is what we want to demonstrate in this class today. So let's get right in and see the if-ELIF-ELSE statement. All right, this is the if-ELIF-ELSE statement. This ELIF means else if, but in Python, it is written this way. Now, this is the syntax. If expression 1, then you execute this statement. Else, if expression 2, you enter and execute this statement. Else, you execute this statement. This is the syntax. Let's see the flowchart. So this is the flowchart that I designed for the if-ELIF-ELSE statement. Now you look at, I'm going to take example of the last class we did in the if statement, where we were looking at discount to be given. So we look at this main, and then amount, you enter the amount. Now you have to make your decision. If the amount is greater than 20,000, then you come here and give a discount of 20% discount. And then you print out amount minus discount, which will be what? The payable amount or the net amount. But if the amount is not greater than 20,000, meaning it is false, so you have to come here, and then another condition again will be expressed. If that amount is greater than 10,000, then you give a discount of 10%, and then you print out the payable amount. But if the amount is not greater than 10,000, meaning 10,000 and below, there will be no discount given. So discount equals to 0. And then you flow this way and then come out and print amount minus discount, which will be what? That amount. There is no discount. So you can see the flow chart. The flow chart goes this way, this way, this way, and out. Then it comes this way, this way, this way, this way, and back this way and out. Or it will go this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, and out. So let's see practically a Python program that will carry out this flowchart for us. So let's go right into our PyCharm and demonstrate this program. This is our PyCharm, and then we are going to write a small program that will practically implement what we saw in the flowchart. Let's say I want the user to supply the value at the point of execution. So I can say amount equals, I'm going to typecast it. So I call my input function and say enter amount here. So I put this, and then, so because I'm going to typecast it, that I need an integer. So that is why I did that. So if before then, print amount equals to amount. Now I want you to print out the amount that I'm going to enter. So that is why I'm asking you to do that. Then I can say if amount is greater than 20,000, enter and execute this. So that would be discount. So I have to declare a variable called discount, and then I will calculate amount times 20 divided by 100, meaning 20% discount. So it will calculate 20% on that amount, and it will calculate 20% on amount and then assign it to discount. If amount is greater than 10,000, discount is amount multiply, so you are going to give 10%. Else, discount assign 0 to discount, and then print. So I put this payable amount equals amount minus discount. Okay, so I think this is our program. Now, I declare a variable amount, and then at the point of execution, I am asking the user to input a value. So I'm calling the input function, and I'm saying enter amount here. So whatever amount the user is going to supply will be typecast into an integer, because in Python, an input a value is a string literal. So that string literal will be converted to integer. So then I'm asking the next line, I'm asking the Python interpreter to print, I'm calling the print function, and I'm asking it to print out the amount that is supplied on the screen. Then the condition will be, the expression will be evaluated. If the amount is greater than 20,000, if the amount supplied is greater than 20,000, go in here and calculate the discount by giving 20% discount and then assigning it to this variable called discount. Once that is done, you now print out payable amount equals to amount minus discount. That will be the payable amount. But if the value is not greater than 20,000, it will now come to the ELIF, meaning is a multiple condition that you are, multiple expression that you are testing. So it will come to the ELIF and check, is the amount greater than 10,000? If yes, it will go in here and grant 10% discount, and then come out here and do this. Else, if this expression is false, it will check this one. If it is false, it means that discount will be equal to 0, meaning anything from 10,000 below, there is no discount. So go ahead and print payable amount equals to amount minus discount, which is minus 0, and it will give you that value. So I'm going to execute this script and for us to see. So I'm going to execute this. So it's going to ask me enter amount. So here I'm going to enter 22,000. Now 22,000 is going to check. 22,000 is above 20,000, so it's going to give 20% discount. All right, so I'm just going to press enter. So you see amount is 22,000. That is printing out this. Amount is 22,000. Payable amount is 17,600. All right, so I want it to also print out the discount for me. So I'm going to come back here and then put print. Let me make this print discount equals discount, and then I'll do same thing here. Print don't forget, you can use, in my previous classes, I told you, you can equally use a single quote. You don't necessarily have to use double quote. So in this one, I'm going to use single quote. discount equals discount. All right, so I'm going to execute this again. And in this one, I can say print there is no discount for you. All right, there is no discount for you. All right, so I'm going to print this out again. I'm going to execute this. Now it's asking me to put in my value. So I'll put the 22,000 again, 22,000. Then I'll press enter. Now this is it. Amount is 22,000. Discount is 4,400. So payable amount is 17,600. So for 22,000, you are given a 20% discount. 20% discount will give you 4,400. And then payable amount, this minus this will give you what? 17,600. Now I'm going to execute it again. I'm going to supply a lower value, 11,000. So it's asking me to put value, and I'm going to supply 12,000. Then I press enter. So it's telling me that the amount is 12,000. Discount is 1,200 because that it did not execute this. It checked this one, amount is not greater than 20,000. So it didn't enter to execute this. It checked this one, ELIF, amount is greater than 10,000. Yes, it went in, then calculated the discount, and then print out the discount, which is what? Discount equals to 1,200, and then came out and did payable amount as 10,800. All right. So now I'm going to execute this again and supply below 9 or 10,000. I'll execute this again. It's asking me to put value. I'm going to put 10,000. Execute. So you can see amount is what? 10,000. There is no discount for you. Payable amount is 10,000. So it's executing this one. Discount is 0. Print, there is no discount for you. Payable amount is 10,000 minus 0, and that is giving you 10,000. So this is if. So you can have as many ELIF statements under this if. For example, if I want to say below 5,000, I can come here again and say ELIF amount is greater than 5,000, right? Go in and do discount equals to amount, that is, you are assigning, not equals to amount times 5 divided by 100. So give a 5% discount. Then I can say print discount equals to discount. So you see you can have as many ELIF under the if statement like this. So I'm checking multiple conditions. So in this one now, if the value is above 20,000, is greater than 20,000, give 20% discount. If it is greater than 10,000, give 10% discount. If it is greater than 5,000, give 5% discount. So if I execute this again now, for this my 10,000, you see it's going to give me a 5% discount. So I execute. Now I put 10,000. Now, amount is 10,000. Discount is 500. Payable amount is 9,500 because it tested this one, it is false. Went in here, tested this one, it is false. Came in here, checked this one, this is true. It went in and calculated the discount. Then printed out the discount, and then finally printed out this one. Payable amount is amount minus discount. So that is it. You can have as many ELIF statements under the if statement. So this is what I want to demonstrate or show to you in this class of if, elif, else statement. If you found this class helpful, please do not forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Do not forget to follow me on Facebook page if you have not done so. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Do not forget to share it. I need you to encourage me. Thank you. See you in my next class. In the next class, I'm going to show you nested if statement. Till then, bye-bye.